Google typically launches its new Pixel generation in October and it's par for the course of this year too. We expect to see the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro sometime after the next generation, after the next Galaxy Foldable and Apple's new iPhone launch. It's usually the last major phone releases before the holiday shopping season. Based on highly alleged rendering surfaced by My Smart Price, a website known to leak Android handset before the next generation Pixel 9 and 9 Pro will have flatter edges and a deeper curve around the edges. The image currently floating around suggests the Pixel 9 will almost mirror the rounded aesthetic of the Galaxy S24 series or the iPhone 15 Pro. The backside facing camera module of the Pixel 9 might also get reconfigured, though it will be less of a change than what they say the Pixel Fold 2 will look like. The consequences is that the Pixel design will become rounder, more reliant on the circular aesthetic than the rectangular one it's leaned into since the Pixel 6. The exact specifications of Google's next smartphone have yet to be determined. There is a smattering of chatter about a supposed 6.5-inch display, placing the screen size right between the Pixel 8's 6.2-inch display and the Pixel 8 Pro's 6.7-inch offering. Rose Young, an analyst with the display supply chain consultants, offered conflicting information in October that it's more likely the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro larger displays than the Pixel 8 series. The rumor is similar to one about the iPhone 16 Pro Max going up to a 6.8-inch display, and Young has been on the mark with display predictions over the past few smartphone releases. The Pixel 9 Pro will likely have a more significant camera bumps. The same thing has happened to Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The optical zoom offering needs a lens that can facilitate the Google, and Google can only rely on the algorithm of super zoom for so long. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.